Namaskar. Good evening. This is Gargi from Sudakshina Weeds. Today I have got for all of you Dhania Khali or Dhone Khali weeds from Dhania Khali or known as Dhone Khali of Hooghly district of West Bengal. Dhania Khali weeds are popular and famous for their traditional handloom, pure cotton, traditional weaving in a specific, pattern of, as it is known as khejur churi, that is date branches, and paddy stalk or dhaner shiri. That comes in a series all over the palla portion and sometimes all over the palla with plain or dobby motifs in the border. This sari is a modern and a combination or a fusion of modern and traditional with checks all over with paddy stalk or dhaner shiri in the palla portion. Sharita khub smart একটা weave, all over check, সাদার মধ্যে white based, লাল আর কালো দিয়ে চেক করা, একটা সিম্পল কিন্তু ভীষণ সুন্দর একটা স্মার্ট শাড়ি। আর এর বিশেষত্ব, the significance here is that the border is in Ganga Jamuna border or black and red, two combinations. Okay, Ganga Jamuna border. This is our first weave. The second one in this series of Dhone Khali is in yellow and brown stripes. Okay, and the border has yellow, brown, yellowish green, light yellowish green, pink, white and brown combination. This is a proper Dhania Khali weave with paddy stalk or date branches all across the pallu portion. This is the significance of Dhania Khali or Dhone Khali shari or weaves from the district of Hooghly in Dhania Khali. This is a very, pastel shade combination. The shades are in pastel shade. It's very pretty. It's a pretty summer-friendly weave. Now here comes another one in checks with that famous paisley or kolka border. And similar, they are all same. The border and the palla portion, they are unique as well as they are similar with the significance of paddy stalk, that is dhaner shiri, and khejur churi or your date branches, and that's in the palla. And this is the drape or the pleat portion of the body of the sari. I'll go a bit faster now because they're similar with different varieties and kinds. The basic weave is similar. This is the next one. Okay, off-white, red and white. That's the combination with stripes. And across, horizontal and vertical lines are across the entire sari. This one is unique, again Dhone Khali. All in the lot are Dhone Khali today. Now this one has an effect of, kota darya, kota kind of effect. And that way it has been woven. And it's a combination of mehendi green and brown. Very rare and beautiful combination. Okay. This is in Firoza blue or tute in Bangla. A plain sari with a sky blue border and a golden rimmed, in the border, all across the border. It's a plain Firoza blue weave. This one, again Ganga Jamuna border, red and yellow, and the body of the drape is off-white with red and yellow stripes. And this is a very, very, it has that auspicious Durga Puja look, as if, the lady of the Bengal, why Bengal, anyone. Okay, the lady goes for Pushpanjali wearing this particular weave. ঠিক পুষ্পাঞ্জলি দেওয়ার মহাষ্টমী সকালের একদম একটা অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েট শাড়ি। And the border has a unique Dolby motif all throughout with Ganga Jamuna combination. Here goes the weave. A steel grey with flower motifs all throughout the body, maroonish red and black combination on a base of grey, steel grey. Dhaniakhali saris are slightly starched and they are crispy. They are smart drapes for the hard-working woman of this generation. This is a purplish mauve, purple shaded stripes again. And the border has paisley and Dolby motifs with shades of purple. এবারের শাড়িটা ঠিক যেন দুর্গাপুজোয় আপনার জন্যেই নিয়ে আসা হয়েছে। সাদার মধ্যে অফ হোয়াইট বলতে পারেন, অফ হোয়াইটের লাল আর সবুজের সম্মিলন, ট্রায়াঙ্গুলার, দেখুন কিভাবে পাড়টাতে কাজ করা, একদম ট্রেডিশনাল ধনেখালি শাড়ি, ভীষণ মিষ্টি। ইটস আ বিউটিফুল এলিগেন্ট উইভ, a beauty in its own creation. This one resembles the green paddy. The entire sari is a lively lush of green with a red and golden border all around. সবুজ সর্ষে ক্ষেত, যেন আপনি আর সবুজ সর্ষে ক্ষেত এক হয়ে গেছেন। আর এই বর্ডারটা খুব সিগনিফিকেন্ট, টুকটুকে লালের মধ্যে গোল্ডেন সুতোর, সোনালি সুতোর কাজ করা বর্ডারটা। এই শাড়িটাও খুব ইউনিক, আর এর জমিনটা ভীষণ সুন্দর, খুব সুন্দর এই শাড়িটা। সবকটা শাড়ি খুব সুন্দর, তবে এটা ভীষণ চোখে লাগছে, খুবই আকর্ষণীয় এই শাড়িটা। এইটা ঠিক যেন ধুতি, শাড়ি আর ধুতির মধ্যে কোনো ডিফারেন্স নেই। There's no difference between a sari and a dhoti when it comes to your style statement. Depends on how you're going to carry yourself. Yes, it's a sari and not a dhoti. It's a dhaniya khali sari. শাড়িটা ঠিক যেন ধুতি স্টাইলে, কিন্তু ভীষণ ইউনিক আর খুব সুন্দর। কোরা তসরের বডির রংটা, the tassar texture has been, brought into this cotton weave, this crispy cotton weave, and it has a look and feel of dhoti. This one is in shades of pink and off-white. It's like a pastry. The sari looks like a pastry, It's so pretty. একদম যেন একটা পেস্ট্রি। দেখুন কম্বিনেশনটা, পিঙ্কের কম্বিনেশন, পিঙ্ক আর অফ হোয়াইটের কম্বিনেশনে, আর সারাটা শাড়িতে বুটিগুলো আবারও ওই পিঙ্ক, গোলাপি আর সাদা দিয়ে, খুব মিষ্টি। এই শাড়িটাও খুব মিষ্টি একটা শাড়ি। This is a very elegant drape in white and green. It's a lovely green, date branch green, date leaves, as if nature is reflecting on you. সাদা আর সবুজে শাড়িটা এত সুন্দর স্ট্রাইপ with a prominent border, and that makes the sari very unique, very elegant and unique weave. And it's a traditional palla with dhaner shiri, again a traditional palla here with dhaner shiri, and that's it. This one is in maroon. The body of the drape, ধনেখালি শাড়িটা maroon রঙের body with golden সোনালি বর্ডারের সোনালি ফুল ফুল করা flowers in a row in the border with golden thread. Okay, and onion shaded pink, that means the maroon with white and yellow has been woven together in the base of the border. A pretty sari, খুব মিষ্টি একটা শাড়ি, সারাটা বডিতে মানে শাড়িটার সারাটা গায়ে এরকম বুটি করা, খুব সুন্দর। এটা সবকটাই সুন্দর। ইনফ্যাক্ট all the sarees are unique, all the sarees are very pocket friendly, and they are unique. This one is in a purple blue. It's a blue, the body is purplish blue, beguner gayer rongta begun and jam. Okay, it's the berry colored, a purple, pretty purple in the border, a dolby border with flowers and white, and the buttas are in pink. The buttas have been woven in pink, and I must show the palla of this sari as it's very unique and pretty. এই যে এটার আঁচলটা এরকম এইভাবে কাজ করা। It's a dolby motif in traditional handloom, and this is what it is. এইটা আঁচল or palla portion. And this is the body portion of the drape. This one is in square, stripes are there, it's striped. However, this way, the border goes all through the body, all over. It has been partitioned this way as well. This is the look and feel of the sari. It's crispy, it's firm, it's beautiful. White and teal blue or rama green. It's not rama green. It's, it's teal blue. Yeah. Okay. And white butta. Butir kaj shada diye sharata gaye. This is the sari. And this is your palla. Eta achol portion ta. Okay. Here. এই হলো শাড়িটা। Here it goes. Again a puja special. Of course, you can wear, in the morning of, during any festival you can wear. Why I mentioned a puja special? Because, already with that typical look of Shada Gorod, Shada ar lal pero lal parer Shada Gorod. Banglar meye chole jay hashi mukhe. And there it goes. The lass from Bengal. Okay, the maiden or the lass, she goes all decked up in her own fresh beauty in this beautiful drape. The typical traditional red. It's not white, it's off-white, red and golden border. And the entire weave has maroonish red butta all over. It's maroonish red. This again is very, very stylish. It's a white, blackish steel, white, blackish grey, you can say, yellow, in stripes and checks, with a dolby border, beautiful border in the motif, flower motif again, with white, yellow and black combinations. সাদা হলুদ আর কালো দিয়ে এই শাড়িটাও ভীষণ ইউনিক আর খুব স্মার্ট একটা লুক দিয়েছে। ট্রেডিশনাল ধনেখালি, খুবই সুন্দর। যে কোনো বয়সের যে কেউ পরতে পারে, ঠিকভাবে ব্লাউজের সঙ্গে কন্ট্রাস্টে দারুণ সুন্দর লাগবে। This is the look and feel. This is the look and feel of the weave. The pink blossom is our last one in today's Dhonekhali series. Pink and chapa phuler holud rongta. Chapa phul means, it's that that yellow, that wood rose kind of thing. It's not really, it's creamish with a golden thin border. Creamish in the border portion, pink and with purple motif, flower motif all around the border. And the body has, the base is pink, as you can see, and the buttas are purple and yellow. So here it goes. A pretty sari indeed. আর আঁচলে এইভাবে কাজ করা, যেরকম আরও অনেক কয়েকটা দেখিয়েছি। ওকে, দিস ইজ দ্য লাস্ট drape ইন দ্য সিরিজ। এইটা ভীষণই একটা মিষ্টি রং, খুবই ভালো লাগবে সকালবেলায়, পুজোর সকালে। সো থ্যাংক ইউ। These were our series of Dhonekhali weaves or Dhaniyakhali weaves for today. Thank you.